अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज से हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं एक नई लैंग्वेज, जर्मन। जी हाँ, यू हर्ड मी राइट। आज से हम जर्मन लैंग्वेज भी सीखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद जर्मन लेसन नंबर 1।
Order in a cafe. Coffee, coffee, coffee. It's written like this with a K. Coffee. Tea, tea with double E. Tea. And, und, or, order, order. Please, bitte, bitte. Milk, mish, mish. Thank you, danke, danke. Bye, tschüss, tschüss. Coffee or tea? Coffee, order tea. Coffee, order tea. Coffee or tea. Coffee, please. Coffee, bitte. Coffee, bitte. Coffee, please. Tea and milk, please. Tea und Milch, bitte. Tea und Milch, bitte. Tea and milk, please. Please के लिए bitte. Tea and Milch, bitte. Thank you, bye. Danke, tschüss. Danke, tschüss. Water, Wasser. Wasser is water. Wasser. Bread, bought. Bought. Bread, bought. Water and bread, please. Wasser und bought, bitte. Wasser und bought, bitte. Wine is called wine, but it's written like this. Wine. The pronunciation is the same. Wine. Please note, in English, we capitalize some words like people's names or proper nouns. In German, you capitalize all nouns. For example, coffee und tea. K of coffee is capitalized and T of tea is also capitalized. Coffee und tea. So all nouns in German are capitalized.
So that was it from German lesson number 1. It was some very basic German for the starters. I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much.